Hi, it's Mr. Wood. It's time for another book. This one is nonfiction. Let's get started.
This one is called Ants. This is a very cool book. It is by Melissa Stewart. Let us begin. Oh, table of contents. There are lots of things about ants in this book, I think. Let's continue. Ants all around. Did you know how many ants live in the world? More than 10 quadrillion. That's a lot of ants. Ants live in fields and forests. They live under sidewalks too. Ants are everywhere. Look at the ants. Oh. An ant is an active insect. Its tiny waist helps it bend and wriggle through the tunnels. Its 6 strong legs creep and crawl. Oh, look. Its 2 large eyes see the world. Its super tough jaws munch and crunch. Its long feelers touch and tap. Its long feelers touch and tap. This is a wood ant. I like this one very much. It's beautiful. Ants at home. 1 ant, 2 ants, 3 ants, 4. See 1 ant and you'll see lots more. Ants live in large groups. Large groups of ants is called a colony. These are so many ants. It's a group of ants that lives together. Some colonies have millions of ants. An ant colony lives in a nest. Most ants build nests underground. An ant nest is full of tunnels. Each tunnel leads to a little room. Oh, look. This is an underground ant nest. You can see the tunnel and the room. Oh. Oh, look, a guinea ant nests in a tree. Some ants do not live underground. They live inside hollow thorns, between rocks, in rotting trees, in nests made of leaves. These are weaver ants. Look at them. Oh, so many ants today. Oh, look, it's the Ant-Man. Hello. Brian Fisher is a scientist. He looks for new kinds of ants. Some people call him the Ant-Man. Dr. Fisher has found more than 800 new kinds of ants. He can't wait to find even more. Oh, hello. All right. Cool. Oh, an ant's life. This must be the queen. And look, an egg. And an ant taking care of pupa. The queen is the biggest ant in the colony. She lays eggs all day long. When the ant eggs hatch, little larvae wiggle out. They look like worms. Look at them. They eat and eat and eat. Larvae turn into pupa. Now pupa do not move. Pupa do not eat. After a few weeks, they turn into adult ants. Oh. The larva, the second stage in the life of many insects. Larvae spend most of their time eating and growing. The pupa, the third stage of the life of many insects. Some ant pupa are surrounded by a cocoon. Oh, Aztec ants. Oh, yes. These are the worker ants. Now, most of the ants in a colony are workers. All worker ants are female. Inside the nest, some worker ants dig new tunnels. Others take care of eggs, larva and pupa. Look, a bulldog ant. It doesn't look like a dog to me. And look at the larva. Oh, weaver ants and worker ants. Outside the nest, some worker ants collect food. Others guard the nest. Oh, very important job, I see. Oh, look. Ants with wings. A garden ant. Oh, look at the winged carpenter ant. A few ants in the colony have wings. Some are females, some are males. Ants with wings fly out of the nest and they start new colonies. Oh, so busy. I see. Oh, look. Superhero ants. Oh, look, it's Aqua Ant. Aqua Ant lives in Australia. She can swim, dive, and even live underwater. Oh, look. Mama Marvel. Mama Marvel is an African driver ant. She lays 50 million eggs a year. Oh, so many eggs. I'm starving. Hulking Hercules. Oh, look. Hulking Hercules is a bulldog ant. She can lift more than 20 times her body weight. And look at this. The Big Biter. The Big Biter is a trap jaw ant. She has the fastest bite in the animal world. Biter can snap her jaw shut at a speed of 145 miles an hour. That is very fast for the ant. Continue. Oh, what's for dinner? Most ants catch and eat other insects. Some ants eat dead animals. Leafcutter ants grow their own food. They have fungus gardens inside their nest. Oh, look, here's a leafcutter ant in the fungus garden. It looks so hungry with the fungus. Now, wait. This is an aphid. What is this? A new creature inside of this book. I am frightened. Many ants take care of aphids. Aphids are small insects. They make sugary... Wait a minute. They make sugary poop that ants like to eat? Oh, disgusting. Yummy. How do you say aphid? Like this. Aphid. Clever. And now, look at this. We have army ants. Look at them all fighting and working. That face is so cute. Oh, look. Army ants hunt for food every day. The colony looks like a moving, munching carpet. Army ants stink and bite everything in their path. They can kill insects, spiders, lizards, and baby birds. Oh no. Did you know an army ant colony can be as wide as a street and it can be longer than a football field? Interesting. I love this book. Continue. Oh, what do we have here? This must be the fire ant. Army ants are not the only ants that sting and eat animals. Fire ants have poison that they inject into other insects, animals, and even people. It leaves a burning feeling. That is how fire ants got their name. There are more than 280 different kinds of fire ants. Oh, they are very hot. Very hot indeed, those fire ants. Continue. Oh, the end. Hooray for ants! Ants are an important part of our world. They are food for other animals. Birds, frogs, and spiders eat ants. So do monkeys and aardvarks. As ants dig tunnels, they mix the dirt. Plants grow better in dirt with ants. Look at this bird. He is not a friend of the ant. Look at this picture. Leafcutter ants dig up a lot of dirt when they build a nest. Scientists weighed one dirt colony dug up. The dirt weighed as much as 6 elephants. That is so much dirt. I can't believe it. And now, the end. Don't forget these words. Colony. This is a group of ants that lives together. Fungus. This is a living thing that is not a plant or an animal. Larva. This is the second stage in the life of many insects. And don't forget the pupa. The third stage in the life of many insects. Well, that book was very exciting. It's from National Geographic. That is the end of the book of the ants. Goodbye.